Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now brief personalized briefings for your day. Audio eraser, a sound studio at your fingertips. What's in the box? 1. Galaxy S25 Ultra 2. USB-C charge cable 3. Ejection pin.
Personalized briefings. Get personalized briefings throughout the day from the all-new Now Brief. Start your morning with a rundown of the day ahead. Circle it, find it. Hear it, find it. Circle to search with Google allows you to instantly search anything on your screen. Just circle an object including images, videos or text with your finger or the S Pen, and you'll get results immediately. You can even search for a song that you hear in the moment without switching apps. Personal data stays personal. The personal data engine combines and processes your primary data and provides tailored suggestions. It encrypts this data and saves it on your device with Knox Vault, making it inaccessible to anyone else. The most advanced ProVisual Engine 4. Our next-gen ProVisual Engine is now boosted by our powerful processor, allowing you to capture, view and edit for our best camera and editing experience yet. 5. 12 MP Selfie camera, 50 MP Ultra wide, 200 MP Wide-angle 2x optical quality zoom, 50 MP Telephoto 5x optical zoom and 10x optical quality zoom, 10 MP Telephoto 3x optical zoom. Epic portraits every single time. Our object-aware engine detects light in the environment and precisely recognizes subjects. Flaunt your natural skin tones and textures exactly as your eyes see them. Unrivaled nightography video. Less noise, more clarity. Now you can shoot in improved 10-bit HDR for a more stunning videography experience. Our advanced AP also delivers more precise noise removal, meaning you won't have to worry about grainy night footage again. The most powerful processor custom-made for Galaxy. CPU 37%, GPU 30%, NPU 40%.
Clearer, more vivid viewing by ProScaler. ProScaler enhances resolution by using advanced algorithm processing to deliver a viewing experience in high definition.
Unrivaled nightography video. Less noise, more clarity. Now you can shoot in improved 10-bit HDR for a more stunning videography experience. Our advanced AP also delivers more precise noise removal, meaning you won't have to worry about grainy night footage again. The most powerful processor custom-made for Galaxy. CPU 37%, GPU 30%, NPU 40%.
Clearer, more vivid viewing by ProScaler. ProScaler enhances resolution by using advanced algorithm processing to deliver a viewing experience in high definition.
Unparalleled battery life. Our pioneering MDNLE technology has been built into our customized AP, and with software optimization, battery usage time is enhanced so you can enjoy hours of watching videos. Watch videos up to 5000 mAh, 31 hours. Ultra strong titanium. Shielded in a strong titanium frame. 17. Glass made to last. Reinforced by our durable Corning registered trademark symbol, Gorilla registered trademark symbol, Armor 218. IP68. Water and dust resistance. 19. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G price. 12 GB 512 GB. 1,29,999. 12 GB 1 TB. 1,65,999. My YouTube channel. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.